Okay, so another quick video here just to give you an idea. It's not a step-by-step guide as such, it's just really an overview of how to replace your rotten floor in your Disco 1. We've done it, we've chopped out the old one, we've put the new one in as you can see, and we're just about to finish it off now. So now we've got the floor pan in place and it's all been tacked and sealed with silicone. We're going to use this waterproof tape just to cover over the joins before we finish the job off. And when we went to actually seal the job up with silicone, we used a rubberized compound which is designed for sealing roof gutter leaks and splits and cracks. Now it's supposed to stay like a paste, but unfortunately it's actually stayed a lot tackier than that. So that's one reason why we're putting this waterproof tape on the top, so it doesn't adhere to the carpet and the rubber when we put it in. It's a really mucky job, and I'm not sure if I'd use it again, so just consider about what you're going to seal it with before you go ahead. Okay, nearly done. Now we've just got to fit the retaining strip on the back here, put the seats in, and that'll help keep the carpet down nice and tight. But already, it's feeling a lot more solid.